What would happen if suddenly 3 aircraft carriers of the world's most powerful navy become inactive at the same time? Just imagine a country like the United States, which projects its power across the world through the seas, suddenly starts losing this massive strength. Yes, that's exactly what is happening right now. On paper, the U.S. has 11 aircraft carriers, but in reality, only about 8 are available for use, and that number could drop even further soon. Why is this happening? Is this a sign of a bigger problem or just a normal process? In today's video, we'll break down the entire situation in a very simple way, so make sure you watch till the end. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like it, share your thoughts in the comments, and most importantly, share this video as much as possible so more people can know about this important issue, because this is not just about one country, it's connected to global security. Now let's get into the main topic. Currently, 3 major U.S. aircraft carriers are facing issues. The first one is USS Gerald R Ford, the most advanced carrier in the U.S. Navy. But in March 2026, a fire broke out on board, forcing it to be pulled out for repairs. That means even this highly advanced warship is now out of action. The second one is USS Harry S Truman. This carrier is about to enter a major maintenance process known as refueling and complex overhaul, which can take around 3 to 4 years. During this time, it will be completely unavailable. The third one is USS John C Stennis. This carrier has already been in a similar overhaul process since 2021, meaning it has been out of service for several years now. Now think about it, how important these 3 carriers are. An aircraft carrier is basically a floating airbase, carrying around 70 to 80 fighter jets, along with thousands of personnel. The biggest concern is that all of this is happening at a time when the United States is maintaining its military presence across the world and dealing with multiple tensions. In such a situation, having fewer available carriers makes it harder to respond quickly to any crisis. Another key reason behind this situation is delayed maintenance. Often, these carriers are deployed for long durations, which leads to wear and tear in their systems. That's exactly what happened with the Ford, where extended deployment caused unexpected issues, forcing it out of service. So overall, even though the numbers look strong on paper, the real operational strength has decreased, and this could create strategic challenges in the near future. Now the question is this really a sign of weakness or just a normal part of maintaining such a powerful force? What do you think?